It's not a hair oil, it is a hair balm. And someone is looking at me while I speak, so sorry. Hi guys, this is Kelly and today I'm going to show you how to maintain and grow your long hair. So I actually just started using this and I really like it. This is the Masil Salon Haircare. They are a Korean product and I am one of the exclusive distributors here in Singapore, and if you guys are interested you can click on the link down below, shop kelkeltan.com, and you guys are able to get a free scrunchie with every purchase, and you'll get free express courier, next day delivery, or the same day delivery above $80. So yeah, these are the stuff that I'm gonna show you, and this is my current hair. It's pretty long. I've grown out my hair for like about 1 to 2 years now, and my hair grew really fast. But previously when like maybe 1 or 2 years back, if you guys follow me since 2 years back, my hair is always bleached and like my hair ends are always very coarse, very dry, and right now you can see it's in a better state because of this product, and I really highly recommend this to you guys. I hardly put in effort in like, you know, hair care and stuff like that, but recently I realized that care is so important. Like I got my hands onto this 8-second hair mask. I don't usually like to use conditioner because it's a waste of time and I'm super lazy, but this one you only need 8 seconds, and who doesn't have 8 seconds in the shower? Literally no one. So I use this in the shower and it gives me like salon-like hair texture and I really like it. Best thing is that it is not expensive. A lot of the hair cares are like above $100, but this one is below $50, and this is particularly like $28, $30, and you can get this in a bundle set. Any two is at $50, and the bundle of 3 is at $75. Right now we are running a promotion, so this set with 4 samples will be $50, and I think it's a really valuable set. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, I have like all my stocks here. So this is the bundle set and it looks really nice. You can get this for someone that that's into hair care, or if you think she should, you know, maintain her hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop right into the demo videos for this too, and also show you guys my luscious hair. I have really thick hair and I have natural waves, so it's really difficult for me to, you know, like tidy up my hair. My hair is always just like that, like booms. So it's very voluminous. I like it that my hair is just like always with high volume, but the thing is it's quite frizzy and I have a lot of split ends, so I always have to go for like haircuts. Yeah, but after using this, right, like I feel that like my whole hair care routine, it's so much easier to maintain, and my hair is like just way easier to manage. So I really like this part about the hair care. Okay, I'm just gonna like show you guys. My current hair length is really long. Looks like that. I'm thinking of like cutting my hair for a fresh look. I just wanted to show you guys my current state because to be honest, a lot of people ask me how do I maintain, you know, the hair health. My hair health isn't even that word, but the health of my hair line basically. And I always just say like, oh yeah, I don't really take care. And recently I just started using this and my hair started being really nice and smooth. Friends out there, like my best friend used to say that like I have really coarse hair and it's just super dry, and then she always like nag about, you know, using conditioner and stuff like that. I started using hair serum. A few companies kind of sent pretty good like hair serum to me, but I just feel that like hair serum at some point it gets a little bit oily and I get like back acne. My skin and my scalp is super sensitive, so if the mineral oil or like any sort of perfume oils is contained in the hair serum, right, like that doesn't suit me, I'll kind of get like back acne. So for this, right, it is not a hair oil. It is a hair balm, and someone is looking at me while I speak. So okay, this is a hair balm. So what it does is that it also has the same, it works the same as a hair serum and also a hair oil. Just that it's very comfortable on the hair, and it's not greasy, and it smells super good. This particularly smells like Jo Malone's Wild Bluebell, and then this smells like Jo Malone's Peony and Blush. I really love Jo Malone's scent. It's just like super luxurious, super comfortable, and it's just not too strong. Sometimes hair care can be a little bit too strong and overpowering, which kinda smells cheap. So I really like how light this is, and it's also very refreshing. So this hair shampoo, right, I like it particularly because if you have dry flaky hair or even dandruff, you are able to use this. This is tried and tested, and it works like a miracle. It works wonders on people with dandruff, and I have a lot of customers just like coming back and just purchasing this. This is also really good because it has amino acid. Amino acid is actually a protein found in our hair, so this helps with repairing and also helps with strengthening the hair. Other than that, I really love like minty stuff, so this one has a cooling sensation, especially in Singapore. It's so humid, the hot weather, and my scalp usually gets like super itchy. So with this, right, like it actually helps to cool down my scalp, and yeah, I really like this. And then for the hair mask, I already told you guys previously, it just takes 8 seconds and it gives you salon-like treatment. I don't think I should talk too much about it. You guys should just try this out on your own. And then for the silk balm, it works like a hair serum, and I really like it. It's super nice smelling, and if you know you don't want to wash your hair or anything on the day you're going out for a date, you can just put this on. And then if you have like frizzy hair or so, like you can just put it on and then like just air dry it or even like blow dry it, and you're done. So that's it for the hair. Okay, we have come to an end of this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like and subscribe down below, and follow me on my Instagram for more updates, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.